Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make hairs. Personally feel hairs is the most difficult thing to draw because I'm not very good at it, but I'll show whatever I can do. So let's begin. I've already painted a picture of a girl. Now I have to make the hair. So this is the tutorial today. So the first thing we have to do is be ready with the base. The color is not the perfect one, so take a not so dark. Okay, I'm gonna do this over a different layer. Here you don't have to be like really accurate. Anyways, this is hair, like there's no. Now what I'm gonna do is with a dark color, let's make some big chunks of hair. For that I usually prefer studio pen, and always remember you have to do it in a flow. Some now go click here and just blur it a little bit, maybe 3%. Or okay, before that let's make another layer behind the face and add some more layer. Now use the Gaussian blur, make it 3%. So I have a base ready. Actually now over this you have to paint in a little light in color. I'm gonna go towards yellow and see. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, in touch up you have flowing hair. Just make it a little small, and then this is also for the base. So now this is the base. Over this you choose a different color, maybe something more light. I'm gonna use now little of blur. So wherever you want to highlight, you can always go to painting, sorry, airbrushing, go to soft airbrush, reduce the opacity, reduce the size. Wherever you want to highlight, maybe some light effect, you can always do like this. Now maybe some dark shades of brush. I'm gonna use again a studio pen. Brushes, I'll say the slide brush is also a really nice effect. So if I go and no, okay, now so your hair was ready. So the thing you need to do is just try to merge it so that it doesn't look very different from your head. it should be part of your head, so you have to smudge, smudge, smudge. So yeah, I think now I'm done with the complete painting.